Hey fam, it's your mentor Josao here again with another flipping video. So I'll be taking this $50 to $400 step by step, so you guys just tend to learn. Happy New Year. I've not been uploading videos because I was involved in a fatal accident, but I'm still trying to recover thanks to all those that reach out. So yeah, I saw this setup on EURJPY, so I decided to just like enter. So let's just say how we are going to flip this account, and I'll show you guys the strategy. I'll make a special video, separate video explaining this step by step. I used our 4 time frame just to enter for this particular setup. So now guys, let's see how this tends to go. This account is real account. Let's see how this goes.
A few moments later.
Boom guys, so our $50 is currently running $365. This account is real account. Okay, so let's just look at what happened. The market spike all the way up first, right? The market just moved all the way up, then later what just dropped, right? Because there was an insider news. The market dropped, like we are supposed to even make over $600, but yeah, I was like, okay, let me just wait to close, but I should have closed, but the market dropped all the way. So if you look at the oscillator, yeah, it dropped, right? So we are expecting this to like what drop even more. All right, so currently our account is 362. So we are saying now, yeah, this particular zone, this is our demand zone. So I'm expecting the market to move up a little, then it's going to like what reverse and grab that particular liquidity here to move up like this. And after which we are expecting the market to like drop. Yes, the market is still going to like drop. It's still going to definitely sell like this. It's going to get that particular final demand. That is the main external demand. Okay, you know, we have internal and we have external, but for this one so far, we are going to close all our position because we are almost close to our target. You know, with just like few trades, 2 to 3 trades, definitely we are going to flip this $50 to $100 very, very, very fast. Okay, all you need is what? The scale. Make sure you check the description section of this video if you want to join our free Telegram group, and also if you don't have an account, create using the link in the description. So let's see how we can grow this account. So where our account is currently 362. So I saw another opportunity. This is the same account, transparency to the core. So I saw this opportunity on Ethereum. All right, ETH price is currently at the demand zone. I always tend to look at the hour 4, all right, the H4 call. That gives you what clear direction of what the market is about to do. So when you crop, when you make it tiny, you'll be able to do what your demand and that of what your support zone. Make sure it covers what all the weeks. Okay, it covers all the weeks. So now I'm expecting the market to what skyrocket again. All right, when markets reached here before, it's what moved up. So I'm expecting the market to skyrocket again. You can use the H4, go down to the hour 1 or M30 for what your entry. All right, M30 for your entry, but I will explain this strategy. I just want you guys to see like it is possible. All right, you can see like from the rejection, right? You can see the candle rejection here. So I'm expecting the price to what go down to the 20 level and what bounce back up to the 80 level, our overbought and that of what our oversold. So we just like need to see like this one is going to play out all right, it's going to play out. So let's go full margin. Let's go full margin so we can take this $50 to our $400 target. Okay, and here we can even go more than 400, but let's just keep it to what 400, because yeah, you need to work with that. So I think like this is enough. So we are going to get like a spike, right? We are going to get like a spike. So we have like 4 or 5 positions now. So let's see how this is definitely going to play out. Okay, I know for sure like it's going to play out without like no doubt at all. It is going to play out. So you just need to be sure about what your analysis. Okay, let me show you like this account is a real account. So you guys need to see like this is real. I don't want like anyone to have any doubt. So like you become motivated. This 2026, you just need to focus on what trade. I'm expecting the price to go all the way to that neckline, but let's see how this tends to go.
A few moments later.
Boom, guys. So our $50 is currently running over $400. So yeah, let's see what happened. So I told you guys like this market is going to skyrocket to the moon, right? So the markets indeed like move. We can see divergence, but I will show you guys. I will explain about divergence in other upcoming video. I'll talk about the time frame, the entry, and other mapping out key levels you need to like what understand. So you see, right? The market just what pop up, right? Why? Because of the rejection candle, you get to see like there's rejection. So what are we supposed to do? We are going to close this our trade. So check this, it's still the same account, real account. It's not like demo at all. So we'll be doing more flipping videos this year. So you just get to what learn, all right? So you see, I love like showing the chart instead of what the profit, because you learn from what the chart. Okay, you learn from the chart. We have reached our target of what 400, right? So what are we going to do? We are going to close all our trades. So in just like what 3 trades, we just took what $50 to 400. Thanks a lot. Make sure you subscribe. I'm Joseph from Sierra Leone.